everybody. It's Seth Jones, Editor-in-Chief of Landscape Management Magazine. I'm at Equip Expo 2023, and I'm in the Senix booth being joined by Rocky Reynolds. Rocky, boy, you guys made a big splash here at the show. This is pretty new for me. Tell me, who are you guys and what do you do?
So thanks. We've definitely tried to make a big splash. We are Senix. We're a relatively young brand, about 4.5 years into the market. However, we've been manufacturing products for over 23 years.
Okay.
Our parent company is YET, and they've manufactured for a lot of other brands. Decided about 5 years ago it's time to bring our brand to market. Therefore, we birthed Senix. Senix, we're an outdoor power equipment company first, but we also have power tools.
Okay.
In battery X2, which is 20 volt.
Okay.
So today, we're here talking about our X6, our newest line, which is our 60 volt platform.
So what do you want to be known for?
We want to be known for quality products at a great value.
Okay.
So a lot of times our brand mission, what we're working on, is giving you that high-end industrial spec for a great price.
Okay.
Not the OPP, but for a great price in comparison to the performance and what you'd pay somewhere else.
I know that there's a couple specific launches you're here happy about, but anything you want to talk about particularly?
Yeah, so the X6 60 volt is our brand new line. It's coming out in the spring.
Okay.
We're unveiling it here. It is best in class performance across the line, whether it's our string trimmer, hedge trimmer, our 2 chainsaws, our 2 mowers that we have. And most exciting is our 2 prototypes of our zero turn mowers that are coming out late next year.
Okay, and you have the prototype here. People are looking at it. I see people taking photos of it.
Absolutely.
Tell me about that a little bit.
So these prototypes, 9 months ago, they were only on paper. We were able to get this because of our experience and expertise in manufacturing for 23 plus years. We were able to take something from paper to an operational prototype in 9 months. And I can't say enough about the team at our headquarters about this. It's just phenomenal work what they've done, and all the contributions from the North American team. But we have a 42-inch hybrid or a 42-inch that's all battery. 6 12-amp batteries go in it. And then we have a hybrid, which is just like the gas car or the hybrid car, gas and or battery, depending on what your preference is.
Okay, great. So there's a good chance, obviously not the prototype, but the other tools, there's a good chance that these guys have been using them for years maybe, and now it's just different.
Without question.
Okay.
Without question. Whether it's a gas string trimmer, a hedge trimmer, whether it's a 20 volt or an AC trimmer, whatever, we're the largest manufacturer of AC tools, outdoor power equipment tools in the world. So
okay.
Very good chance if you've used another brand, you've been using our tools.
Okay, cool. Well, Rocky, congrats on the booth and all the traffic you guys have had and the big splash you made here at Equip.
Hey, appreciate you.
I think you said the word disrupt. You're going to do some disruption in 2024.
2024, we are going to disrupt the market with the Senix Storm.
Okay, well, you guys heard it first. I'm here at the Senix booth. You're going to see this name a lot in the coming year. This is Rocky Reynolds. I'm Seth Jones. Thanks for watching us here on Landscape Management TV.